Just kidding. I'm actually isolated in this room here at the gym, so I can take off my masks. I've got all my necessary things that you need when you're doing a video. And I thought let's start off this year with the trade updates so that we can then look at what trades are lining up in the near future. All right, so we're looking at Anglo. And I'm using ProTrader via a broker called Rand Swiss, which is one of our recommended brokers. And let's look at Anglo to begin with. And this week we had good US elections. I don't want to bore you with the fundamentals, but basically the Democrats have the US Senate, and this is good for the economic stimulus packages that will be released, which is good for miners and resources. And we just saw platinum and gold rally to new 3-year level highs. So Anglo was one of the ones that took place where while we were holding the trade, it went straight past our take profit at 525.62, which is awesome. And yes, I do know it carried on going up, but don't worry, we can't see things in hindsight and we shouldn't care. We followed our strategy and it worked. Right, then let's take a look at Woolies, which we went long on the 23rd of October at 40 Rand 21. So I'm going to open up Woolies. Here is my watch list. Woolies, you can see, has just broken above another cup and handle formation, where it shows confirmation that we can expect upside from here. You can see that there is this beautiful uptrend that it keeps bouncing on and making higher lows. And now that it's broken above here, we can expect it to hit our take profit level, which is up here at 54. So Woolworths is looking good. Still a long hold. It's pretty much by our entry. Next, we can look at Aspen. Aspen, we went long on the 20th of November at 127. So I'm just going to open Aspen quickly. And we can see that it has also formed some type of cup and handle. So the JSE is following suit along with other shares. If the JSE makes a cup and handle pattern, we'll see a lot of shares also make it. And in this case, Aspen has broken above and it is flying. It is looking beautiful actually. And I think once it hits above 150, then I'll feel safe to start moving the stop loss higher, where we'll bank a minimum gain, but we also don't have to worry about a loss. So we're going to keep on holding. It's making these higher lows, so it's looking great. And also with the idea of Johnson & Johnson distributing their vaccination trials at the moment, and with the idea that we're going to be getting the vaccines within the next 2-3 months, is promising, and especially for these type of companies where obviously at the end of the day they're going to be making profits. Let's look at BHP Bulletin, which we went long on the 3rd of December at 384 Rand and 80 cents. And it is one of our best movers at the moment. You can see from where we got in and to where it is over here. And I haven't even moved the stop loss. So what I plan to do is to move the stop loss higher up here at around 440 Rand. I'm just waiting for this pennant formation to form. And once it's formed and then breaks to the upside, we will feel more safer knowing that we have nothing to lose and we have a very nice gain to bank. And also we're quite close to the take profit. So keep your eyes out for the email tomorrow, because I'm more likely to move the stop loss up. And finally, let's look at Mr. Price, which we went long on the 11th of December at 175 Rand and 55 cents. More or less. Remember, it's not the exact amount that we went long in based on the volume and where it was trading at, but it is pretty much around that level. So don't worry if it's a couple of cents or rands away from where you got in, it's fine. So Mr. Price, we have a problem child as always. We always got to have a problem child with our trades. It made this doji, and this doji is normally very bullish, where the price went down and then it closed where the open is equal to the close. And right now, this is the deciding levels on where it is more likely to head. And as things stand, I'm going to draw a pennant formation. Is it a pennant? December, January. No, yes, it's a pennant formation. So I'm going to draw this pennant formation that looks like this. Remember, it's only a wedge if it is formed over the last 3 months. So once it breaks above here, we will start seeing more positivity. If it breaks below here, we have a higher chance that it'll hit our stop loss. Other than that, that's the only problem child. We are doing awesome for 2021, but we've got to keep our heads screwed on right, and we've got to wait for new trading opportunities. And remember, your best trade is your last trade. So you can feel good about our banking of the Anglo, but now we have other trades that we need to work on and nurse. And I'm glad that you're with me this year through the Premium Multi-Trader service. I have good news, all right? I'm thinking of doing events. And these events will be done on a monthly basis through Zoom. And I think you will enjoy these events because basically it's going right from the beginning of certain things where you can ask questions, we can go through slideshows, we can go through live trades and ideas, and then we can build up trading acumen throughout the year so that you can really master the art of trading. And remember, to master the art of trading, it's a forever business. We're always learning new things, and I'm always learning new things when we have these events, even these little video updates. So we're in this together. So if you are interested in joining these type of events, I'm going to do it via Zoom, and also I'm going to send out a PDF on how to join the Zoom events and how to optimize with features and improve your audio and video quality and how you can interact during the events. It'll be awesome for you to join. And just because you're a premium multi-traders, I'm happy to give you a 20% discount. We're going to start off right from the beginning. So my first event is going to be beginner trading for CFDs. Then we're going to move to intermediate trading CFDs, advanced CFDs. Then we're going to go to spread, and then whatever comes our way and whatever you guys want to learn, I'm more than happy to run these events. And it will be done on a Saturday. They'll be no more than 2 hours. I mean, I am happy to go a little bit past 2 hours if you guys have questions, but the overall content will not take more than 2 hours. So if you are interested in joining the multi-trader Zoom events coming up, probably this month even, our first event, then email me at timon@timonandmati.com, and I just want the subject line Mati20, the number 20, just so I know that you've qualified for the 20% discount. And then I will more than happily add you onto the hot list and you can join us. I think that'll be great for extra learning and for really mastering the art of trading, which took me 5 to 6 years all by myself, learning through YouTubes and videos and all this stuff. And now we have this platform where we can build our trading knowledge together. We can skip the steep learning curves. We can cut your school fees by next to nothing. You can learn from all the mistakes. You can learn from experiences. So remember, email me mati20@timonandmati.com, and then I'll add you straight onto the hot list. If you're a premium Mati trader, you'll get your 20% discount. You'll be added on the hot list. I'm probably not going to accept more than 10 people because I do want this to be, personal events where we can learn together. And that's my passion for 2021. And thank you for your time and effort and being with me with this multi-trader family, especially the premium family, where I can offer you a lot more time and effort on videos and ideas and updates and answer your questions personally.